Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, good. Have you ever had pimento cheese on a pizza? Well, if you haven't, you better keep watching because that is exactly what we're doing today. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
What are we doing?
So we're going to get creative with this awesome pimento cheese that we made.
Is it vegan?
It is vegan.
Yes.
Recipe down below. Super good. Spread it on anything. So we're going to spread it on a pizza. And we're going to top it with these very special olives that we picked up on a recent drive home from Sing Family. I feel like that wasn't good English.
That's okay.
It doesn't matter. Anyway.
She went to Chico State, that's
yes,
why.
And so the olive pit is in Corning, which is near Chico State. And so we picked up several varieties of olive oils and olives. And so we're using our, what are they, Sicilian? Zesty Sicilian.
Yes.
Today, because we think that will pair nicely with our zesty pimento cheese.
Yeah.
So
I think the brininess from the olives, and this is going to be a super simple, these are the only two, besides the dough, this is it. We're just going to smear a big helping of the pimento cheese. We're going to slice up the olives and cook it up in the uni, and I think...
see what happens.
Yeah, I think the creaminess and the brininess are really, I think it's going to be yummy. And if it's not, and if it's train wreck, we'll show you. Yeah, you'll watch it happen.
Right. So stay tuned.
Let's make some pizza.
For our pizza dough to come up to room temp, we're going to go ahead and get started on our pimento cheese. Let's make some pimento cheese. So we're going to start off by grating our Dea. Now, I know the Dea comes in shreds, but trust me on this, Dea also sells a cheddar that's in a block. Find a block and shred it. You will be so much happier with the texture of the pimento cheese when it's done. Next, we're going to get everything into the mixer. We're going to start out with our vegan mayo. Then we're going to add in our vegan cream cheese, our shredded Dea, all of our yummy spices, and finally our nutritional yeast. We're going to get the mixer going on low and then slowly work it up to kind of a medium to medium high speed. Once it's all incorporated, we're going to stop it. We're going to scrape the sides and then give it one big last blend. This vegan pimento cheese is just about done. We're going to get the paddle taken off of our mixer, cleaned off, and then we're going to add our pimentos and just stir them in by hand. We don't like to put them in there when the blending is going on because I don't want them to disintegrate. We really want them to kind of stay intact. And the net result looks delicious.
So we're going to slice our olives. John wanted to put them on whole, but I know that when we launch the pizza, they'll go flying and rolling all around and not be as pretty. So we're going to slice them. We've got our dough ready to launch and be dressed for the pizza. You can find the link to our cold fermented dough below if you're looking for a great recipe. We're going to start with generous dollops of our pimento cheese. Once it looks like we have enough, we'll spread it around and add more to make sure there's no non-cheesy spots in our pizza. From there, we'll sprinkle our sliced olives to cover, and it's ready for the oven.
Okay, so we were a little concerned because we didn't know how this was going to turn out, but I think it looks spectacular.
Yes.
It's super ooey gooey because the pimento cheese
Somebody's taking a drink because you said super.
Oh, yes.
No,
apparently I say super a lot. And so when I say super,
it's now a drinking game.
It's a drinking game for somebody.
Anyway.
Yeah,
It's very briny. You can smell
the olives.
I could smell them as I was dressing it. So
Yeah.
see how.
Yeah, but the mayo and the cream cheese just made this really gooey. But I think it looks spectacular, and I'm going in.
I feel like we should maybe bigger pieces so you could fold them. Oh, look at that.
That's interesting.
I was going to say interesting.
Okay, sorry, I said it first. Yes, it's really, the pimento cheese is really yummy. Mm-hmm. And the olives, to your point, add that kind of salty brine. I have more words, but I should take another bite.
Yeah, I have to think about this one. This might be one of the more interesting combos we've done.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But yeah, but still yummy.
The dough looks amazing.
Yep. Bailey's at our feet because he knows that we're having pizza, so he's ready for pizza crust.
Yeah.
So
I like it.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
I don't think I'd want to serve it in
I
a
agree.
dainty setting.
No, this is but yeah, good.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it as well.
Squish that piece.
You know what? This turned out super.
Are you going to say it now just to be defiant?
Yes. Jules, that's for you. This was super. I hope you're drunk now. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. Tell everybody that you know about us. This is awesome.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya.